Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing one of my absolutely favorite childhood dessert, Burkina, also known as dege. This creamy dessert is popular across West Africa and it's simply made by using millet couscous, some yogurt, some milk, some vanilla extract, and condensed milk. This dessert is absolutely delicious. So stay with me and let's jump right in. All right, so this is the millet couscous that I'm using. You can get it in any African shop near you. Next, I'm going to go ahead and wash the millet couscous a couple of times with cold water. Now that my millet couscous is nice and clean, I'll go ahead and pour it into a bowl. Our next step is to add in hot water, just enough to cover the millet couscous. So this is what I'm going to use to cook the couscous, and make sure that you don't add too much water. I'm going to cover the container with my lid just to ensure that the heat stays in. So I'm going to let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes until it softens and fluff up nicely. While that is resting, we'll work on the creamy mixture. Now with a creamy mixture, I'm using some plain yogurt. I also have some sour cream. I'm using evaporated milk, but feel free to use any milk you have. I'm also using condensed milk. So what I'll do is to pour all my ingredients into a large bowl. Now I'm going to mix everything really well until smooth and creamy. And oh, I almost forgot to add in vanilla extract. So we'll go ahead and add in about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then mix it really well. 15 minutes later, I'm going to open my lid, and as you can see, the millet couscous have absorbed all the water. I'll add a little butter to the couscous and mix it really well. This gives it a rich, delicious flavor. Next, we'll add in a little salt to just give us that taste. We'll mix everything really well, then set it aside to cool down. Now it's time to add in our millet. I'm going to do this in 2 batches. So I'm going to add in our first batch, then mix it together. So once the first batch is nicely mixed, we'll add in the rest of the millet, then mix it really well until everything is well combined. Just like that, you've made yourself the most famous dessert in West Africa. It's so delicious. Trust me, you're going to love it. And also, you can use this as a small business. You can chill it in the fridge or enjoy it right away. This dessert brings back so many childhood memories for me, and I hope this become a favorite in your home too. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment for more delicious recipes. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys!